Hi guys, so today in this video I'll be showing you Sarojini Nagar's 2026 summer collection, and right now we are standing in gate number 3 of the market. And even before entering inside, let's go to the left hand side क्योंकि इसके बाहर में you get clothes for like cheaper rates. ये बाहर में जो market लगता है इसके यहाँ पे you'll get clothes starting from 10 rupees only, and they'll say कि 100 rupees का you'll get 5 piece or 4 piece according to कौन से day में आप जा रहे हैं वहाँ पे देखने के लिए. And in the bikini section I found this one with a tag on it. This is from the Goodwill thrift store, and यहाँ पे सब में tag नहीं होता है, so be aware of that because I'll never recommend to get some bikinis or inners in second hand, especially from Sarojini. So if you're ever going on a beach vacation, then you can come to look for like bikinis from here in a very affordable price. And now we are standing in the gate number 3 of Sarojini Nagar market, और यहाँ से straight जाएंगे. मार्केट के अंदर में जैसे ही एंट्री करेगा you'll find this boy selling Gucci का परफ्यूम ले लो. They are actually very much confident in their product that it is original, but both of us knows कि ये एक नकली वाला Gucci परफ्यूम है. And यहाँ पे बैग भी काफ़ी सारा मिल जाता है for like 300 rupees, 250 rupees, and they're fixed price because they are new pieces. And this market has lots of fashion accessories also, like this earrings जो कि आप ट्रिप के लिए यहाँ से काफ़ी सारा सस्ता दाम में लेके जा सकते हो. And outside of shop number 57, 150 का leather skirts काफ़ी सारा था, जो कि I feel like कि कभी कभी we look for leather skirts to create an outfit, तो उसके लिए काम आ जाएगा. 150 में you'll get this skirt. And यही सेम दुकान के अंदर जाते ही they have all the jeans collection, and I'm not even kidding, but you can get best jeans from Sarojini. और यहाँ पे Zara का भी मिल जाता है, like you can see in the video. और Zara original का भी होता है, H&M का भी होता है, and many other South Asian brands का भी काफ़ी सारा यहाँ पे मिल जाता है. And उसके आगे वाला जो दुकान था शॉप नंबर 54, इसमें भी क्रोसे टॉप्स लाइक गोवा ये सब ट्रिप के लिए ये भी काम आएगा, क्योंकि ट्रिप में हम बस कभी कभी मतलब कुछ शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन के लिए कपड़ा पहनते हैं, सो इट्स बेटर टू गेट इट फ्रॉम सरोजिनी. नाउ वी आर इन दिस राजेट गारमेंट, एंड ये दुकान पे इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर लाइक बैग्स देन दिस इज़ द वन स्टॉप. यहाँ पे बैग्स यू विल गेट स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 200 rupees. The two they are all like brand new bags, like this one that you see on the screen. It is also only for 200 rupees. And this viral bag, I also have one of this, and ये बहुत काम आता है एयरपोर्ट में भी. It can be extended also, and this bag is also only for like 200 rupees. And here you can bargain because the prices are already fixed, and the bigger bags were for only 500 rupees. So if you are looking for bags in Sarojini, then this shop is a must visit. And now next we are in this one. यहाँ पे तो I usually go to look for blazers and also this formal pants, and they also have lots of jeans का collection. भैया is directly showing me this Zara jeans, और भी काफ़ी सारे jeans है in different style and also in different sizes. They also have some stocks inside, so you have to let them know your preferences कि आपको कैसे वाला jeans चाहिए exactly. And outside of this shop, a bhaiya was selling this simple white tops for summer, and this were only for 80 rupees each. And also if you're lucky enough, then you'll find some Uniqlo tops also. And I also found these cute viral keychains, or we were also looking for like phone covers. So यहाँ हम गए outside of this shop number 114, and as you can see there is a copy of this Rod wala famous phone cover. So here in Sarojini you will see lots of like viral चीज़ जो भी market में viral चल रहा है, trending चल रहा है, वो सब का copy चीज़ें. We also got a phone cover, and 80 rupees पे बहुत सारा tops भी था. I like one of this. And now I am taking you to one of the famous inner shop of Sarojini Nagar. This is shop number 37. इसके बाहर में 50 rupees का कुछ white tops भी था. You can look for some summer tops from here, but let's come to the inner parts. यहाँ पे all the unimaginable inners you'll find from here. और ये जो picture में जो भी देख रहा है, all those like fantasy inners, you will get it here. But at the same time you can also come here to look for like everyday inner wears. तो यहाँ पे winter वाला ये भी था, एक panty और bra. This is very unique. And outside of that, a bhaiya was selling these clean pressed tops for like only 100 rupees. And this time, to my surprise, I could see this Y2K accessories. Before it was like not findable in Sarojini, but now it's everywhere. And every summer there is a one common kapra in Sarojini, and I think for this year it is this red gingham top. ये काफ़ी सारा color में भी available था. At at first I was like कि I think it looked cute, but then later on when I saw this everywhere I was like कि ये तो बहुत लोग पहनने वाला है ये बार. And outside of shop number 22 you'll find these skirts for 200 rupees. You'll find like in many cute prints, and this is also all over Sarojini Nagar. And in that same shop if you go inside you'll find many jeans, unique jeans, Zara jeans, H&M jeans, Mango jeans. But at the same time also know that all the clothes that have Zara ka tag on it are not original, which you can easily differentiate by knowing the quality of the cloth. And here they also sell this wind charms and dream catcher. Now we are in this Sai Ram collection, और यहाँ पे कॉपी वाला bunker का trousers tha. It was only for like 250 rupees, and they have this in different colors. And now I'll take you to one stop shop for footwears, which is C only. Yahan pe they only deal with footwears, and here you'll find all the types of footwears that you are looking for. So yahan pe ye wedding wala bhi mil jayega, and vacation, beach wear, mountain ke liye, sports, snow ke liye, every kind of footwears they have. They have good quality heels, boots and flats. Many a times I got my family some footwears from here. And now we are in shop number 35. Oh my god, this is the gown ka shop. So if you're ever like participating in pageant, or if you're attending a wedding function, then you can come to this shop to look for gowns. यहाँ पे gowns बहुत ज़्यादा कम दाम में मिल जाता है. They have the best gowns and party wear collection here in Sarojini. और यहाँ पे Chinese वाला set भी था, and many Pinteresty वाला gowns भी था. I was so surprised to see their collection, and I was like wearing one of them, but then there's no such event in my life coming up. They also gave me their card, which is export heart, and also gave me their number. And now we are moving towards the second lane. Here first of all you'll see this auntie selling this handmade purse and potilis, and these are only for like 100 rupees. The quality is not that great, but then for 100 rupees it's worth it. And now we are in shop number 137. Here you'll find lots of night suits, and they're only for like 350. So you'll find satin ones, cotton ones, and many more. And here in this shop also they don't bargain at all. और ये यही दुकान मुझे सरोजनी में थोड़ा महंगा लगता है. And यहाँ पे night suit एक अच्छा quality वाला, this night suits with lower मतलब long pant and half pants, and with cute prints. They were selling only for 600 rupees. And here they have lots of trending clothes, but then prices are a bit on the higher end, and they won't negotiate at any cost. But also can't deny that this shop has good collection. Mostly they have Zara ka duplicate clothes, and यहाँ पे linen pants भी था. And I was like, yeah, I think I should take one night suit. So at first I decided to get this pink one, but then as I already have that kind, so I took the another one. Now we are in Export Hut, one shop number 135. This is also another shop for party wears and gowns. I think it is so much better to get gowns and party wears for cheaper rates from here in Sarojini. Honestly, they actually have good collection gowns. Like this red one reminds me of Alia Bhatt from Disco Diwani song. और 150 rupees का ये जूडियो का लड़कों के लिए कपड़ा. This time I saw कि many जूडियो का कपड़ाs were being sold in Sarojini. I don't know why, but Sarojini में बहुत ज़्यादा जूडियो का कपड़ा आ गया. And there are many other accessories also, like this waistband, belt, and all these trending items you'll find here in Sarojini. And now next we are going to this one of my favorite shops in Sarojini. इसके बाहर में तो you'll find this footwears, और यहाँ पे बहुत सारा Zara का होता है, स्पेशली Zara का, then Mango का भी होता है, and कुछ अलग अलग brands का भी. But the only problem here is कि यहाँ पे बस 40-42 size ही remaining होते हैं most of the time, क्योंकि जैसे ही 36-37 जो usual general size होता है girls के लिए, वो सब बहुत जल्दी sold out हो जाते हैं. Here also they have all kind of like footwears, but ये दुकान का मुझे ये अच्छा लगता है कि इनका थोड़ा original होता है. थोड़ा नहीं, मतलब I think most of them are original. तो boots भी काफ़ी सारे variety का मिल जाता है, not only for girls but for boys also. They'll find New Balance का, Nike का, Adidas का shoes also. And before यहाँ से ऊपर जाके एक thrifted luxury bags हुआ करता था, but since वो अभी नहीं है, so we are not going there. And Sarojini have lots of jerseys also, so I was looking for this Messi wala jersey for my younger brother. And now we are going to this Akriti shop. This is also one of my favorites in Sarojini. I usually go here to get some casual wear tops, like H&M का भी मिल जाता है, और यहाँ का भी क्वालिटी काफ़ी सारा अच्छा है. ऊपर फ्लोर में it's for the girls, and then नीचे फ्लोर में मेंस का कलेक्शन. H&M का यहाँ का तो एक्चुअल में ओरिजिनल H&M ही होता है, हर जगह का ओरिजिनल नहीं होता, बट यहाँ का होता है. एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो लाइक जूडियो का कपड़ा. तो ओ माई गॉड, देयर वर लॉट्स ऑफ जूडियो का कपड़ा जहाँ पे साइज थे कुछ भी रिमूव नहीं हो गया था, और यहाँ पे all the tops that you guys are seeing in this video, these are only for like 200 rupees. And यहाँ पे H&M का वो vest tops भी था, which I usually wear. I like this one, but then इसका size नहीं था. And now we are going to one of my most favorite. This is top number one. This is Gufa shop. यहाँ पे घुसते ही सबसे पहले you'll find lots of unique skirts, और यहाँ पे skirts का काफ़ी अच्छा collection है ये गुफा shop के बाहर में. And as you go inside and turn right, you'll find this bhaiya who sells unique type of corsets and vest tops. This bhaiya also has like scarves, and then टाई भी बहुत ज़्यादा होता है टाइस इसके साथ में. एंड उसी के बगल वाला भैया सेल्स दिस शॉर्ट्स, स्पोर्टी शॉर्ट्स यहाँ पे अच्छा होता है. आई गॉट टू ऑफ देम एंड दे हैव लॉट्स ऑफ दिस क्यूट क्रोसेट टॉप्स. एंड इफ़ यू गो इनसाइड दिस शॉप, इट इज़ अ वेरी बिग वन एंड इन गुफा शेप, तो इसलिए इसको गुफा शॉप कहते हैं. एंड यहाँ पे तो कपड़ा पूरा पाइल पाइल करके रखता है. एंड बिफोर आई यूज टू कम हियर टू गेट दिस टाइप ऑफ टॉप्स, जो कि घर में पहनने के लिए इट्स वेरी मच कंफर्टेबल. एंड आई कैन 100% with 100% guarantee say कि these are original H&Ms. I got this Mickey Mouse one for this time, and I've been using this top since many years. एंड यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा क्वालिटी होता है. और यहाँ पे ये डिवाइडेड वाला H&M का शॉर्ट्स भी है, बट आई ऑलरेडी हैव दिस टाइप, सो आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इट. ये है ब्लैक पिंक वाला कलेक्शन से, और भी बहुत ज़्यादा क्वालिटी होता है इसमें ना, बहुत अच्छा है. एंड दिस भैया ऑल्सो गिव्स फॉर ओनली लाइक 200 रुपीज़. एंड ऑल्सो दे आर सेलिंग लॉट्स ऑफ ड्रेसेस, और यहाँ पे ड्रेसेस भी अच्छा मिल जाता है, बट आपको अच्छा से देखना पड़ेगा. और विंटर में काफ़ी सारे अच्छा कार्डिगन्स मिलते हैं यहाँ से. एंड नाउ वी आर इन दिस ओपन वाला, बाहर में ओपन मार्केट जहाँ पे सरोजनी नगर लिखा है. Here also we can see that same tops and lots of tank tops. And we are now in this RGV International. यहाँ पे है number one boots का collection. They have mostly like cowboy boots, और सब hippie वाला style और सब bohemian style पूरा यहाँ से मिल जाता है, retro style. They have very good collection boots का. Next, moving forward, now we are in shop number 191. I usually come here to get H&M copy cargo और Zara का cargo copy वाला. And यहाँ पे H&M Zara बहुत लिख के रखता है, but ये लोग का तो original नहीं है, but at least there are new ones. Maybe they are first copy. और यहाँ में भी H&M का tops बहुत मिल जाता है, and texts are also like almost looking like the original. And this is shop number 105. They have lots of ड्रेसेस का कलेक्शन, और ये दुकान के अंदर में पूरा ड्रेस है, स्पेशली लॉन्ग ड्रेसेस. सो इफ़ यू आर इनटू लॉन्ग ड्रेसेस, यू हैव टू डेफिनेटली विजिट दिस शॉप, बिकॉज एवरी टाइम आई टेक माई सिस्टर टू सरोजनी, शी गेट्स 1 or 2 लॉन्ग ड्रेसेस फ्रॉम हेयर. एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू द बिग सी लैंड. इसके यहाँ में बिग सी का दुर्गा मंदिर के ऑपोजिट में दिस भैया सेल्स लाइक 200 रुपीज़ का टॉप्स, शॉर्ट्स, ट्राउजर्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. और स्पेशली इनके यहाँ पे यूनिसेक्स होते हैं, और ज़्यादातर बॉयज़ के लिए होते हैं कलेक्शन, सो यू हैव टू नेवर मिस आउट दिस. और यहाँ पे एज यू कैन सी, ये वाला टॉप इज़ एवरीवेयर इन सरोजनी नाउ. I think it is the Sarojini top of the year. And I could also say this trousers, gingham trousers, these are not of like very good quality, but for the sake of their price, it's good. And now we are next going to this shop जहाँ पे ऐसे दुकान में जाओ सरोजनी में, तो जो थोड़ा पुराना देखता है. Here you'll find lots of unique and Y2K collection, all Bollywood 90s Bollywood का collection. And next we are going to this shop number 158. They have lots of vintage fashion accessories like this bangles, bags, many like unique bags. You'll find it here. I also found this makeup box. I was almost about to buy, but I did not get it at the end. और ये भी मुझे 300 में दे रहा था. और भी अलग अलग टाइप का बॉक्स, यूनिक फ्रेम्स एंड टिश्यू बॉक्सेस. They have very unique collection. This is also one of the most unique shops in Sarojini. This is also a jewelry box, and यहाँ पे you'll find this beads also and jute type का bags also. So this is also one of the must visit shops in Sarojini. And now next we are going to shop number 195. And here you will find also like पुराना कपड़ास, and ये सब कपड़ा को पूरा आराम से बैठ के पूरा चलने से you'll find good quality का corsets. And this is where some of the like thrift stores usually get their thrifted clothes from. Like I found this corset. Or now next we are in shop number 174. This is famous for its leather jackets. ये अभी winter में ये shop काफ़ी famous होता है. And here you'll find lots of vintage leather jackets, और भी बहुत अच्छा कलेक्शन होता है इनके विंटर में, बट आई डोंट नो फॉर द समर. Next, we are here in Sonu Garments, or here also they have beautiful looking gowns. So I am actually obsessed with Sarojini ka gown collection, and this Uniqlo bags are also all over Sarojini, and I think कि it's better to get from here क्योंकि quality में इतना भी फर्क नहीं है. And उसी के बगल में there is this भैया who sells the viral and all the kind of hair clips and hair rubbers, and this भैया right here sells this bud drops. यहाँ से मेरे एक दो two bud drops ले चुकी हूँ, but it's summer now so I'm not taking any of them. Now we are in Gaurav Garments, and this is also one of my favorites. यहाँ पे linen pants भी अच्छा quality का मिल जाता है, and I especially go to this Gaurav Garments for the night suits. I again randomly found this original H&M ka, this very cute night suits, but I'm not getting it because I have the similar one. So if you're looking for unique night suits that are not like so common, then you have to definitely visit Gaurav Garments. They have good quality night suits. And this bhaiya outside of the Sulab washroom, he sells this lamp जो कि आप भी घर के लिए ले सकते हो. This are like भैया sells for like very affordable price, and उसी के opposite में there are lots of anti-tarnish jewelries also available in Sarojini for like very affordable price. और यहाँ पे ये साइड में आर्म्स में जो पहनता है फैशन एक्सेसरीज, it's also there. And 350 में also for the boys you can find this Korean pants. And also my suggestion is that don't underestimate the ring में जो कपड़ा रखता है 50 rupees 80 rupees का. Here if you look properly then you will actually find the good ones. And now next we are going to this shop जहाँ पे बहुत सारा मतलब बाइकर के कलेक्शंस, ये डायरेक्टर वाला जैकेट्स यहाँ पे था. And so like biker jackets are actually very expensive, but here you can come and thrift them. Or this is one of the jackets which my boyfriend liked, and he also tried it. The quality was very nice, and they were ready to negotiate and also give it at the best possible rate. तो यहाँ पे आप biker jackets के लिए आ सकते हो. And lastly we are going to this shop for skirts, और यहाँ पे सरोजिनी का best skirts यहीं मिलता है. सबसे unique, good quality and vintage retro Bollywood style skirts. This भैया sells the best quality skirts here in Sarojini. और भी यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे girls आते हैं, those who are like looking for skirts, they also come here, and I already liked one of them. और अंदर पे भी काफ़ी सारे इनके पास skirts के collection है, so you have to definitely visit this shop for skirts. And I also got one for myself for this summer. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys liked my video, and I hope कि आपको सरोजिनी shopping में help हो. So lastly, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe to support me. Bye.